In the next, we have made a circle, making a small circle over it in this way. So here we are making a bug, making its leg a 6 leg, coloring it up. It's ready. In the next, we are making a pig cartoon. A cute cartoon is being done. So like this, making its leg. Now making the small pig cartoon on the beside of the big one, making its hand, its leg like this, coloring it up. It's ready. In the next, we are using a green crayon color and coloring it up with the help of the cello tape. Now putting some leg, tail. So here we are making a tortoise, outlining it with black, shaping up with the black marker over the green in this way, outlining the each side, making the eye. It's ready. In the next, we are using a dry leaf, putting the double tape over it. Now putting all in this way on the white sheet, as you can see. So just making a mark with black over it. So here we are making a bug like this. Its leg is almost done.